Today's top news headlines. IED bomb discovered at Lumfell. And direct benefit transferred to 7,000 farmers under MOVCDNER scheme. A very good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 6 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the latest news update. An IED bomb was discovered at a pharmacy in Lumfell today morning. However, Manipur Police Bomb Detection and Disposal Squad BDDS, without inflicting any harm, defused the bomb. According to the report received from our source, a salesman named Lyran Lakpam Ramandeep discovered milk can cover in black polythene while trying to open pharmacy. When he opened the can, he discovered a cell phone inside it. He immediately informed the pharmacy's owner, Hawaibam Jaichandra, who afterwards informed the police. Soon after receiving the information, a team from the Imphal West police station arrived at the scene and, fearing a bomb, warned the people in the area. After a few hours, a team from the Manipur Police Explosive Detection and Disposal Squad BDDS defused the bomb at around 9:30 a.m. Police have begun investigating on the case. However, NRF claimed that the bomb was planted by them. Direct benefit transferred to 7,000 farmers under MOVCDNER scheme today. Speaking at the launching ceremony of direct benefit transfer held at Agri Minister Office Chamber and New Secretariat Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit stated that BJP government has been benefiting farmers and rupees 7,87,50,000 crore have been transferred to 7,000 farmers' account today. The Indian government has set a fixed price of rupees 267 for 50 kilograms of urea. Farmers have been experiencing urea scarcity for the past 3 years, but there is sufficient urea stocked for this year. Further, he encourages the public to file complaint if urea is found selling over MRP rate and that immediate action will be taken against them, including government officials.
Mechanization problem 100 days program attractive attraction Bharatiya Janata Party ahamba sarkar gi ani loiraba matungda ani suba sarkar lakpa matamda aikhogi manifesto da aikoina hapki madudi karino hai matamda aikhogi leriba phamasing da lising taruk piramba adu aikogi kisan saman nidhi yojana gi makhada lising taruk 2000 piramba je aikogi leriba state sarkana Famasing gi damakta yenge har kanda aikoina lupa lising ani ma hawalaga akogi fourth installment pibagi decision lawkibido akoi cabinet memo semalore cabinet ta pukhalagani andaki aduga lone madu pass tawre hai kanda famasing da mari suba akoi installment dos bharat sarkar na pibana ahumni akoi state sarkar na famar gi damakta paisa le su leitraga su haidana pibje masima akoi famasing ne na thar pibum thoi hai basima ai famar punamakta ai
69 Battalion CRPF under the aegis of IGP, CRPF, M&N sector organized a blood camp today at 69 Battalion CRPF headquarters, Manipuri, in coordination with the medical team of RIMS. At the event, 60 personnel, including Jawan and officers, donate their blood under the supervision of 69 Battalion CRPF Commandant Bajwang Lal. Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Daina Devi was the chief guest and 2nd MR Commandant Victoria along with RIMS medical team and media personnel, Dr. Virendra Sharma were special guests of the event. Impressed by the enthusiasm of the officers and Jawans, 2nd MR Commandant Victoria voluntarily donated her blood as a campaign for the good cause. Speaking to the event, 69 Battalion CRPF Commandant Bajrang Lal appraised the gathering about the importance of donating blood to save life and thanked the entire person attended the function. He also asserted that CRPF will continue to render its good service to the people of Manipur for their growth, development and prosperity by organizing similar program in the future. To commemorate the 8th International Yoga Day celebrations, 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR East, in collaboration with villagers and volunteers, organized yoga session on the theme of Yoga Healing Mind and Body in Gorkha Tapan village of Kangpokpi district today. The event was organized to emphasize on ways and means to improve the overall lifestyle of the villagers and role of yoga in combating various diseases. A total of 170 villagers, including 120 students of Gorkha Tapan Middle School, enthusiastically participated in the session on acclimatizing the body to yogic exercise and yoga postures. In a similar event, We There, We Care was organized by the unit at Tamenglong for the ex-servicemen of the district. The unit yoga instructor briefed about the essence of yogic exercises on the health of individuals and thereafter held a practice session with demonstration of various asanas where the commandant of 44 Assam Rifles interacted with the veterans on the occasion and educated about the scientific relevance of yoga in our life and explained how yoga can reduce stress. The 15th state-level Pineapple Cum Seller and Buyer and Youth Festival 2022 will be held from July 1 to July 5 at Thambal New Market in Yairpog. In a press release issued by General Secretary of Developmental Organization Andhra Kendra DOAK, H. Oken Sharma stated that anyone interested in participating Pineapple Queen competition and opening a stall can get an application form from the DOAK head office in Yairpog Thambal New Market. The deadline for submitting the application form is June 25, according to the statement, and anyone interested should call 8787487858 or 9863273011 for more information. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. Welcome back after the break. A health talk program was held today at Bishnupur Ward Number 1, Awang Lekai. The program was organized by Community Medicine Department and doctors of Rural Health Training Center (RIMS). In the event, intern doctors under the supervision of health educator Megha Chandra discussed about the teenage pregnancy, people with disabilities and obesity. Imphal West Session Judge remanded Mark T. Haukip to judicial custody till June 21. On hearing that Haukip will be produced in the court today, a large number of women and volunteers of the Kabui Mothers Association, Gama and CSOs staged a protest at the Cherak Court complex, demanding that the self-styled President of Government of the People's Democratic Republic of Kuki Land, Mark T. Haukip, face harsh punishment for his alleged defamatory remarks against freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu. Women attempted to assault a controversial human rights activist, Mark T. Haukip, by yelling numerous slogans demanding harsh punishments. Based on specific information received from a source of the presence of a suspected UG cadre of UNLF, 16th Assam Rifles and a team of Taubal Commando conducted a joint search operation at Yaripokpachi at around 3:30 p.m. on Thursday, where an unknown individual was seen approaching in a suspicious manner from the Pachi side. He was detained for verification, where he was discovered to be an active UNLF cadre. The arrested person is identified as Koirom Gabichandra alias Arong, aged 21, son of K.H. Priyokumar Singh from Bangai Sinam. On further investigation, he revealed that he had received basic military training at its general headquarters of the UNLF in Myanmar, where he was commanded by one self-styled Lieutenant Fidamba. He further said that he is currently serving under the command of self-styled Captain Samsangba and self-styled Captain Ipu Kanglecha, who have been stationed in Myanmar's general headquarters since January 2022. Further, he revealed that he crossed the Myanmar border and entered India from Kasum Kulen side, avoiding detection by border security forces. The arrested person has been handed over to the Yaripok police station for further investigation. A security meet was organized at Contingency Operating Base COB Taubal of 16 Assam Rifles with the local Meira Paibis and ex-servicemen yesterday. The meeting was focused at empowering the youths and women of the area of operational responsibility and also to improve mutual trust and relationship with the local populace to ensure peace and harmony in the area. The representatives also acknowledged the continuous efforts of 16 Assam Rifles in bringing positive environment and assured that all possible assistance will be rendered from their side. Before we wrap up with today's news bulletin, giving you the top news headlines once again. IED bomb discovered at Lamphel. Direct benefit transferred to 7,000 farmers under MOVCDNER scheme. And that is the end of today's English Bulletin at 6 p.m. Thank you for watching.